You're an epic mountain biker. You keep your GoPros or cameras on you at all times, and you catch the most amazing footage and you upload to edit it on your iMac. Or maybe you just like to edit videos and you don't ride bikes at all. But you need some more memory and you don't want to pay the high price through Apple or have to pay someone to put it in for you. Stay tuned and we'll get that brand new iMac loaded up with more RAM. Let's check out my wife's forehead and how much RAM my brand new iMac has right now. You can see right there, 8 gigabytes of memory. Let's make that 64. Here we have 64 gigabytes that we are going to install after removing the 8 that is currently in it. Just an FYI, you can add as much as the computer will allow, and I hear the same company, OWC, has 128 that you can upgrade your computer to. Or if you want, you can get 2 more sticks of 4 to make your total 16. Because we are going to lay the computer on the screen side, you want to make sure that you have something soft that will not scratch the screen when you lay it down. See how soft that blanket was. Now it's time to shut down the Mac. Unplug everything from the back. Before you do this, you'll want to make sure you have everything backed up on your computer as a safety precaution. After you have everything unplugged, bring the computer to your soft blanket where you will insert the bigger and better. Simply push the little tab where the power cord connects and the memory plate on the back will pop open. From here you remove the plate and watch how my hands direct you to remove the memory. You first have to release the special tray they sit in. Once you have the tray out, you can go ahead and remove the memory that is in it. Of course, if you are replacing that with the 4 new sticks. If you are just adding 2 new 4 gigabyte sticks, then you can leave the 2 that are in there. I recommend matching stick size, so don't put in a 4 and a 16. When placing them in, just make sure they snap in. When you are finished, push them back into their compartment and you will feel it lock into place. Now you just have to replace the back cover. If you replaced memory, you can now sell the smaller memory as it's a hot product right now. Next, just bring your computer back to its location and plug everything in and then turn it on. Now let's check to see if it worked. Wow, look at that amazingness. 64 gigabytes of memory. Just to make sure it's working good, let me open up the activity monitor to see. Yep, look at that. All good. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you're a mountain biker, keep shredding. Watch some other epic mountain bike videos right here. Thanks for watching.